So this happens to everyone, never happened to me until it happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this whole clip and show you guys how to do it. The one that I lifted down as normal, the sun was really shining from this side, so what I did was like kind of unclipped it with my hand, kind of wanted to move it sideways, and it just boom, it broke. So what I did was, I actually went on Temu and I found some of these. I was like, okay, what I'm gonna do is just need a plastic piece there, quick. I'm gonna 3D print one. There's actually some files we can like 3D print the inside bit or however it works, focus please. So then I said, okay, now I'll do that. Just never did it, and then just scroll through. What is it? Temu? Yeah, I think it's Temu. Temu or Shein? No, it's Temu. I scrolled through Temu and then I saw these. I was like, oh gosh, will this work on my car? And it turns out that it will. Even when I look at it, like if you fit it like that, it looks like it will fit. The only problem is this is not the right color. I wanted this beige kind of color, and it's not that beige. I think it's called beige, whatever it is. So how it basically works is, if you look here, you've got two flowers, right? Inside of the flowers you've got like clips, so, or whatever it is. So what happens is when you push it up, it actually goes further in until it like clips in and then pushes these flowers all the way open. So the way that means we're gonna get these ones out, this one out, we're gonna have to like kind of pop it down and then take it out. So we're gonna make sure we only pop out this outer kind of area. So that's why I got myself one of these flat screwdrivers. So what I did was I literally just took the screwdriver here in front, I kind of like clipped it down. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me put the flashlight on so you can see there's like that small little half clip there. So basically all I did was just kind of get it in there, push down. So what I'm trying to do is now hold it with my nail on the one side and then kind of like trying to wedge it down on the other side. This is impossible to record with two hands, but I'll try to think of something. Okay, so my plan didn't work. So what I kind of did was I took this point here, I pushed it down like I showed you guys. Then when I went here to the side, I just kind of pushed it down again. So as you can see, there it is. So I think what I can do now is maybe use my hand for the rest of it. So there we go. Here's the first bit. Oh, okay. So let's have a look, because when I look over here, it looks exactly like the one I purchased. So that means it's out of the flower. So this whole thing should just come out. Let me quickly get this flat again. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's see if I can just get my nail into it. Ah, I won, you body. So anyway, here it is. So we got it out. Let's quickly have a look at the new one. So the new one has to go in like this, obviously, because the clip's here in the front. So this is how it looks like. So just to show you that there is a plastic piece, it just broke off completely. So anyway, where's this other one? Here it is. So we're gonna take this one. Obviously, I think it's just a one-way fit, because that's why there's one big one and one small one. So if everything goes as planned, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it here on the clip and push it up. Ah, there we go. So the reason why I hold it on the clip is obviously so that we can get the base part in, because if you look here, sorry for all the explanation, this clip is part of the bottom base part. So if you push it in, you get the bottom in, and then we're gonna clip in the flower area. Ah, I think it, no, it didn't went. Okay, hold up. Oh, my thumbs are actually paining. I had to push it up as far as I could. It's in all the way now. Let's quickly go and have a look, see if it's gonna close. Ah, there we go, perfect. Ugh, color is throwing me off a bit. I mean, they were so superly cheap. I can just go and like buy another one. They were really not that expensive. Dude, just look at that. I'm so freaking happy, man. So it's fixed. I just got to get the right color now. But I mean, like, this is gonna work for now. The cool thing about it is that if you buy one package, you get 4 of them, so you can replace two if you need to, whatever the case is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that I learned you guys how to fix these little doohickeys. I don't even know where's the other part. Anyway, I'm making this video way too long now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.